inshallah. We will start from Fidel, Amharic Fidel. Then you will be fluent in this 1 month, inshallah, in reading Amharic, alright? In this class, inshallah, you will master Amharic Fidel, then you will be able to read Amharic fluently. In Amharic, there are 34, Salasa Arat, 34 Amharic letters. So today we will focus only on the 5 or 4 Amharic letters. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, very well, yes.
Mashallah. So today we will focus on these fidelis because it must be short, so you will memorize it easily. So this is Ha family. As you can see here, the Latin script, it is Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, Ho. And this is also ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. Ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. But we use this one. Most of the time we use this one. So now you just repeat after me. Ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. This is the same too. Ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. Alright, very good. What is this?
Okay. Ha,
Hmm.
hu,
Hmm.
he,
Hmm.
ha,
Hmm.
he,
He,
ha,
Hmm.
ha,
እሺ he,
ho,
he, ho.
ho.
This one is he, ho.
Ho.
Very good, very good, very good. The letters on the 6th row are just he, just H only. He. So the last letters has some letters has a ring on their right top of right side, but some of them are short, some of them are has a ring, and on the English there is O at the end. Ho. What is this? ጎበዝ hey. እሺ ይሄ ማን ነው? What is this? ጎበዝ. What about this?
Okay.
This is a consonant letter, all right? But the others has vowel sound in it. Like you can see here, there is vowel sound. You see? Ha,
Yes.
O. ለምሳሌ A, O, E, A, I, E, etc. እዚህ O አለ. These are consonant letters. He.
Okay.
ጎበዝ። What is this? Ha. You see? Ha. What about this? Mashallah. Where she is?
Who? He.
Gomez. He. Is she? What about this?
Pa.
It is similar with the first one.
Yeah, similar with the first one.
Yeah, there are so many similar Amharic letters in Amharic Fidel, you know, but most of the time we use only this one, and from this also most of the time we use this one instead of this first one.
Okay.
There are so many has around here, as you can see, but most of the time we use this group of ha. This is the first ha, right? This is the second ha.
Which one is most commonly used? These three has?
The first one is commonly used.
Okay.
Here also there are two types of ha. This is ha and this is ha, you know? But
yeah,
we use this instead of this, the first one.
Okay.
There are 6 types of ha. You see, this is ha, these are ha, these are ha also. But from 6 of them we use only one, this one, the first one.
Okay.
Here there is three type of who, three type of he, three type of he, three type of he, three type of ho, but we use this the first one. لمثالي, let me show you an example book here. Let us open a book and let us check which Amharic letter is mostly used. The frequency matters. All right, you need firstly you need to memorize the frequently used one. You see here,
Yes.
this is her.
Okay.
Her. This her is just used here. Ich, her. There is another her here, but this is on Islamic texts only. Most of we Muslims use this type of ha because this represents the ha sound. Ha, not ha. Ah, ha يلم جحفة سبال جحفة. Most of the time Christians don't use this. The Tigray people and Muslims use this one. Alright, you see here ha, there is who. Most of the time, as I told you, we use this type of ha, and sometimes we use this to only represent the Arabic ha sound. Alright, so you need only to memorize this. Sometimes we use this one too. La, we are on la now. La, lu, li, la, le, lo. You can read it this if I just tell you that this is la. Alright, the vowel sound guides you.
Yeah. Le, lu, li, la, le, lo.
Gobas, le, lo. Always the letter and the sixth row are without any vowel because they are consonant letters.
Okay. Le.
Actually in Amharic there is no vowel letter, but we use signs like this. The ring. Here there is a ring. It has a short right leg. It has also some indicator at the right left, and this is some addition on the right leg. So we use markers, all right, markers like rings, dashes, but there is no vowel letter like English.
Yeah, there's no vowel.
Yeah. In Arabic and English there are vowel letters like Jamma, Sukun, Kasra, Fataha. But in Amharic, we use these signs. This is ma, mu, mi, ma, me, n, mo.
Okay. Me, mu, mi, ma, me, mo.
This is me.
Me. Okay. Me.
Here on the fifth letter we use two double vowel letters in English.
It will be pronounced as me.
Male.
Me.
For example, we read this like male, yeah? Male.
Yeah, male.
Good. So this is me.
Okay, me.
Le. Hey. ጎበዝ። እሺ ይሄ ደግሞ ሰ there are two types of ሰ ሱ ሲ ሳ ሴ ስ ሶ
ሱ ሲ ሳ ሴ ስ ሶ
ጎበዝ። ስ this is ስ there is a difference between this and this one, all right?
Yes, there's difference.
On their top. እሺ ይሄም ሰ ነው ሰ ሱ ሲ ሳ ሴ ስ ሶ
ሱ ሲ ሳ ሴ ስ ሶ
ጎበዝ። አሁን we are just finishing this and we will just revise it to make sure that you understand. አሁን እኛ ማን ላይ ነን? ረ ላይ ነን። ረ ሩ ሪ ራ ሬ ር ሮ ጎበዝ your pronunciation amazing ማሻአላ ማሻአላ ማሻአላ። አሁን ይሄ ሬ ነው። ሬ
ሬ
ሬ ለምሳሌ when you say rain rain
ኦኬ ሬ
ሬ ሬ ጎበዝ ሬ አዎ ረ ሩ ሪ ራ ሬ ር ሮ
ሬ ሩ ሪ ራ ሬ ር ሮ
ጎበዝ all right now let us back again and make some tests now you start reading from the right side to the left side ይሄ ማን ነው ሆ
ኦኬ ሆ ሃ
ህ
ሃ
ሄ
ሁ ሃ
ጎበዝ እሺ እንደገና let us repeat it again ሆ
ሆ ሃ
ህ
ሄ ሃ
ሄ this is ሄ ሄ HIE ሄ ሃ
ሂ ሁ ሃ
ጎበዝ you got it now
so ሆ ሃ
ሄ ሄ ሄ ሄ ሃ ጎበዝ እሺ
ሆ ሃ ሄ ሃ ሂ ሁ ሃ
ጎበዝ ማሻአላ now only just correct this one this is not ha this is h ህ ናቸው ከዛ አሁን let us go to la what is this
ሎ
yes እሺ yes
ሌ
okay yes
ላ
ጎበዝ yes
ሊ ሉ ሌ
ጎበዝ there is inconsistency here we use ha to make ha like the first one here ha is also ha like la to say la we use la we don't use a at the beginning of the Amharic letter all right we use e instead like la you see me le se re all right
okay
it keeps like this so only on ha we use ha
only ha starts with that ha
it is ha sound this is ma mamu mi mame memo እሺ ማን ነው ይሄ
ሞ
እ
ም
እ
ሜ
እ
አ ሚ ሙ ሜ
ጎበዝ ማሻአላ ደስ ይላል እሺ ይሄ ደግሞ ሰሱ ሲሳሴ ስሶ እሺ ይሄስ
ሶ ሳ ሴ ሳ ሲ ሱ ሴ
ጎበዝ ይሄም
ሶ ሴ ሳ ሲ ሱ ሴ
ጎበዝ also now we use this one most of the time this type of sa but the Orthodox Church use this one sometimes to say Selassie for example you know what does Selassie mean
no
Selassie is Trinity
yeah Trinity Selassie yeah
you know why they use this one
because of the three I don't know
yeah this is the case
yeah
and now most of the time when they say for example Selassie or Atse Haile Selassie they use this one there's
okay
It has not. It doesn't have another secret. They use it for this purpose only. All right.
Okay.
አዎ እሺ አሁን we are on ረ now ረሩሪ ራሬ ርሮ እሺ ይሄ ማን ነው?
ረ
ይሄ
ሮ
ረ
ሬ ሪ
ራ
ራ ሪ ሩ ሬ
ጎበዝ ማሻአላ ማሻአላ አሁን let me give you a class work. What is this one? The third ጎበዝ the third one. The second one ላ ላ ጎበዝ yes. What is this one? ጎበዝ they are similar with this one. እሺ what about this? ጎበዝ did you just try to learn Amharic Fidel before?
No, it's the first time I tried.
All right, mashallah, this is amazing. What is this? ጎበዝ what is this?
That one.
Yeah, we learned it just now. You see?
Oh yeah.
ር አያት it is ር ይሄ ማን ነው? What is this one? ጎበዝ amazing. You see, on this document only there are 304 who.
304 who.
You see how repetitive this letter is?
That's very repetitive.
Let us see. What is this?
That's
he. This one is he.
Oh yeah, he.
On the third row.
Yeah, he.
He. This he also has a dash on there. There is also a dash. Lee also has a dash. M has a dash. C has. C has. And only re is a little confusing. Re.
Yeah, re.
Because already it is. It indicates to the right side. You see, he only mentioned on this document 17 times. 17 times.
Yeah.
ሂደት only one word. ሂደቶች አካሂዷል. ሂደት is process.
Okay.
ሂደቶች processes. It is plural form of ሂደት. በሂደት means gradually. What is this?
That's who.
Ha.
Okay,
what is this?
That's la.
ጎበዝ በረሃ አንበጣ. is very very popular, you see.
Okay, it's very popular.
ህዳሴ the Renaissance Dam. ህዳሴ. እሺ what is this? እሺ what about this? ጎበዝ ይሄ ዲ ነው፣ ይሄ አ ነው። አጠቃላይ ምን ይሆናል? this one is a, this one is d. How can you read them totally?
Met.
ጎበዝ this is a.
Okay,
Ahmed.
Okay, Ahmed. Okay, Ahmed. Okay, Ahmed. Okay.
Now only just try to do not forget h and ma.
Okay, Ahmed.
What is this one?
This is
r. You see r. አሁን ምህረት ምናምን አህመድ. You see here Ahmed?
Yeah, Ahmed. Oh, Abi Ahmed. Is that Abi?
Yes.
Okay.
This one is Abiy Ahmed.
Okay, Abiy Ahmed. Okay, okay.
What is this?
This is
Hey,
this is hey, yeah,
hectare, hectare.
yeah, hectare, okay, hectare.
Ah, Angie, you see here, what is this?
Her,
Uh,
her,
uh,
r.
here,
Okay,
here. This one is ba.
okay. Baher, baher.
I think it is bahr in Arabic, yeah?
Bah.
We made some modification and say bahr.
Baher, okay, Baher. So it's C.
Yeah, it is C. በቀይ ባህር through the Red Sea.
Bakay Baher, okay.
በቀይ ባህር እነዚህ ሺህ በዚህ ምናምን። እሺ አሁን let us see this one. What is this?
This is Ho.
ጎበዝ ማሻአላህ ሆ. What is this one?
Ro.
No.
So.
I mean this is no. Na no.
Okay. Ne. Okay. No.
Na no ni na ni no.
No. So this is Ho. No.
Ho no. Ho no.
Oh no.
Oh no. There is some similar word with this one. This looks like a no, but it has something on their left side.
Change. Yeah.
What is this called?
Ho.
Gobas. It is a half family. But if there is no and some addition here, it will be no.
Okay.
Mashallah. So we have finished the half family now, and let us see this one. What is this?
This is L.
Lo.
Lo. Yeah. Lo.
What is this?
La.
No. L. This is a 6th letter. L. L only.
Le. Okay.
Lo. Ayat L. You see?
La. Le. Yeah. This is Le.
La is L-E.
Okay. Yeah. La. This is so La. Only L.
L.
Le.
Oh.
Le. Okay. Le.
By the way, if you want to just listen our practice, I will send it to you.
Okay.
So when you when you watch the video again, you will immediately understand everything very easily.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the advantage. So this is L, this is La. There is no vowel sound here. There is a vowel here, so we need change from L to L. By the way, the fundamental, just the basic is these consonant letters for Amharic letter. When you add vowel letters on this on the 6th letter, you will change them to different Amharic letters like la, lu, li, la, li, li, lo. If you add a vowel letter, but if you didn't add any vowel letter, it remains as a consonant letter. L, h, m, s, r, the same. This is m also. This is s also. This as we say ቅድም لا تقولوا ثلاثة ይላል አላህ በቁርአኑ ባይዘው እና እሺ አሁን it is amazing. Inshallah, in a few days you will start reading Amharic very fluently, inshallah. So what did we say this? What is this?
That's L.
እሺ this one
Yeah,
ሎ L-O
Yeah, L. Okay.
እሺ
So
what
if the
about
ring is at the end, it's O.
oh if there is a ring on their right leg probably it is lo o mo so ro sho ko bo to cho your mouth shape will change when you pronounce them.
Okay.
እሺ what about this? This is the fifth one. It has a ring on its right leg.
It's L.
It is lay, L-I-E, lay,
Yeah,
lay,
Yes,
lay.
Le.
For example, when we want to say lay, layman in English.
Yeah, lay. Okay, lay.
So this is this one is lay.
Okay, lay.
Oh, lay. So we say leva means thief.
Okay, le.
ቲፍ ለማለት እንዴት ነበር በእንግሊዝኛ የሚጻፈው? English is very terrible language, you know.
Okay.
በአማርኛ ግን it is super easy to write any Amharic word because it is a straightforward. ሌባ በቃ ሌባ. For example, you want to say ሌላ means other. There you don't confuse to write the Amharic fidel, the Amharic word.
Yeah, exactly how you pronounce you will type.
Yeah, it is similar. The pronunciation and the word that you write is similar, identical.
Same. Yeah.
But in English, I think thief, there is F sound here. እና በጣም
That double E, yeah, double E.
I don't remember. I remember that recently I read and wrote this word, but I forgot it immediately because it is very terrible language. So what I want to say here is Amharic is very easy. The bottom line is Amharic is very easy, so take it very easy. This one is lo chi. Lo chi. This is chi. We will learn it later. So leloch means others. She. What is this?
This is le. Yeah,
le. As I said, like layman.
Yeah, le.
Yeah, sound አለ. There is yeah sound. Le. Oh, but we don't say la. When we say la, there is a sound. When we say le, when we say le, there is yeah, le. Oh, shit. What is this? This one.
That's
the first one, huh?
Yeah, la.
Le. This one.
Lo.
ጎበዝ ሎ. ክልሎች means regions.
Okay.
like Somali, Afar, እንደዚህ ኦሮሚያ፣ አማራ ክልሎች ትግራይ ምናምን we say them ክልሎች or ብሔሮች or nations or ብሔራዊ is nationality. ክልሎች regions. What is this? This
is law.
ጎበዝ ኪሎ means kilo.
Kilo. Okay.
ዘጠና ኪሎ means ዘጠና means this one.
90. Okay.
ዘጠና ኪሎ means what does ዘጠና ኪሎ mean?
90 kilo.
ጎበዝ. What is this?
This is me.
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 Male. For example, male. Me.
Okay. Me.
Me. Which is?
This is re. Re.
R. R.
Re.
So this is t meter. Meter.
Okay. Meter. Okay.
So whenever you meet this letter, you read like me, meter, meter, me.
Meter. Okay. Meter.
Me.
Meter.
Mashallah, mashallah. It's amazing. Inshallah, you will master the Mahayik fidel very easily. It is very easy. But you need to focus, alright? You need to just pay attention and practice it later also, because you are investing your time, your money, your effort.
Yeah.
So you need to be profitable.
Exactly. Yeah.
This is, what is this?
That's raw.
This one.
Okay. That's low.
Le.
Le. Okay. Le.
Le. Le.
Le.
Le. Le. ላሉ ሌላ le.
Le. Okay. Le.
እሺ what is this one? አሁን እሺ ይሄ ምንድን ነው?
La.
ላላ ሊ.
Okay. Yeah. Li.
እሺ what is this?
Me. Li.
Me.
Male.
Me.
Me. Li.
You see their leg is similar, so they are the third letter. Mili. Million.
Million. Okay. 95 million.
95 million. እሺ what about this?
That's also million.
ጎበዝ። አራት ሚሊዮን።
አራት ሚሊዮን.
እሺ I also told you this one also. What is this?
That's ho.
ላላ ሄ.
Yeah, hectare. Yeah.
ጎበዝ. You must guess. እሺ what is this?
That's
Li. We are on Li now. You see Li. This is Li.
Yeah,
it has a leg on the right leg, but at the bottom leg of the right side.
Yeah.
እሺ
This is
you know this one too. What is this?
This is
he, li. What is this one?
This is raw.
raw.
Yes, raw.
ስለዚህ ሂሊሮ or helicopteroች means helicopters.
Okay.
ሄሊኮፕተሮች። ይሄ ማን ነው?
This is
le. The fifth letter. Le.
Yeah,
ሌሊት ማን ነው? ሌሊት means at night. በሌሊት
okay. በሌሊት
ጎበዝ። በሌሊት means early morning or in the night, at night.
okay. በሌሊት
እሺ ይቺ ማናት?
that's
ሊ
yeah li
ዮን ቢ
yeah billion yes billion
ቢሊዮን። እሺ አሁን you also know these two trillion ሪ you see ሪ
yeah t
trillion
okay trillion okay Leo
አየህ ሪ you see ሪ this is ሪ
yeah ri
they are similar, yeah. Where was it? Where this is there is also ri here.
yeah ri
there is also ri, but there was a word that says trillion, billion, trillion. I don't see it now, but what is this one? ri rima ri. Where is ri? ayatazi ri. This is ri.
yeah okay trillion
What is this?
this is
Ra.
okay ra yeah ra
I asked you exactly the same word before. I asked you before.
ra
This is also ra. This is also ra.
ra
This is also ra.
yeah ra
This is also ra. You see how repetitive it is?
yes it's very repetitive ra
What is this?
that's ray
The sixth one. What is this?
yeah that's ray the sixth one
The sixth one. What is this?
that's ra
Gobas. What is this?
which one?
This one?
Yeah ri
Ra.
okay ri
You see how different they are?
yes there's a small yeah
Ra ri. This one is re. Now they are Amharic letter is very easy if you pay attention and study it. There is I have a website, and just I will send you the link and you will register. I will activate your account, and you can also read the Amharic letter there. There are seven factors to know to master the Amharic letter.
okay
And now most of them are similar. If you master the 7 factors, then the Amharic letter must be easy for you.
okay
And now inshallah I will send it to you the video. After I edit it, I will edit some of its parts, then I will send it to you.
okay that's fine
inshallah. Sanyo, we will have class on Monday, I think. Yeah, Monday.
yeah Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday, so
we jump tomorrow, and but tomorrow you will at least revise this lesson for 30 minutes.
I'll exactly. I will try, and also I'll try to write. I'll try to write.
Yes, that is a good idea. When you write it, you will memorize it better than just reading.
Yeah, exactly. You'll remember.
Yeah, also don't forget to send it to me right after you write on a paper, or by using your mobile on by using just the Mandino. But don't use a paper and a pen.
Yeah, handwriting. Yeah, exactly.
Yes, handwriting. All right. ማሻአላ ማሻአላ። ኦኬ እንግዲያው ሰኞ እንገናኛለን።